Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has triggered a huge debate with his latest remark on the Muslim community. He said that a Muslim family is safe around 100 Hindu families, but forget one, even 50 Hindu families are not safe around 100 Muslim families. Further, he cited examples of what we are seeing in neighboring countries, whether it is Bangladesh, Pakistan, Afghanistan. The UP Chief Minister said that Muslims are the safest in Uttar Pradesh, but they are safe if Hindus are safe. So basically, he made the contention, which has been a long-standing BJP position as well, that the country is safe only if the majority is safe. If the majority is safe, then the minority is also safe. Let's listen in to what Yogi Adityanath had to say.
100 हिंदू परिवारों के बीच में एक मुस्लिम परिवार सबसे सुरक्षित रहता है, लेकिन मैं कहता हूं 100 परिवारों के बीच में एक हिंदू की बात तो दूर करिए, 100 मुस्लिम परिवारों के बीच में 50 हिंदू सुरक्षित रह सकता है क्या? नहीं रह सकता। अब बांग्लादेश आपके सामने उदाहरण, इससे पहले पाकिस्तान उदाहरण था। उत्तर प्रदेश में मुसलमान सबसे ज्यादा सुरक्षित है, सबसे ज्यादा सुरक्षित है। अगर हिंदू सुरक्षित है तो वह भी सुरक्षित है।
So Yogi emphatically saying that Muslims in UP are the most safe, and his logic being that there is safety in numbers. If the majority is safe, then the minority will feel safe as well. Now, here's what the Yogi government's minority outreach report card says. In 2017, the first year of his chief ministership, the Yogi government allocated 75 crores as the budget for marriage of poor Muslim girls. 2 years later, in 2019, an annual aid of 6,000 rupees was announced for the victims of the now defunct triple talaq move. Now, in 2020, the following year, the year of COVID, the Yogi government allocated 479 crores for madrasas, which was the biggest that was announced in the UP state budget till date. Further, another 783 crores was earmarked for education in minority-dominated areas. In 2022, the Yogi government dedicated a fund of roughly 50 crores to establish health and education-related projects in Muslim-dominated districts like Rampur, Saharanpur, Amroha, Bulandshahr, Hapur and Ghazipur. Now, despite the many pro-minority policies, Yogi government's latest take, in fact, Yogi's latest take on communal harmony has not gone down well with the opposition. They are citing instances of what happened in Sambhal, what happened in other places where there have been communal animosities. Let's listen in to how the opposition has reacted to what Yogi Adityanath said in that interview.
हमारे मुख्यमंत्री जी ये बताएं उनकी कुर्सी सुरक्षित है कि नहीं है? कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं कि हिंदू मुसलमान की जो अब सुरक्षा की भावना जाग रही है, कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं कि उनकी कुर्सी डगमगा रही हो? याद होगा जब उन्होंने एक बार योग किया था, कैसे एक टांग पे डगमगा रहे थे।
मैं उन्हें साफ कह दूं, ये सवाल तो मुसलमानों से पूछें, उनके प्रतिनिधियों से पूछें, उनके सांसदों से पूछें। जहाँ तक इस देश की आज़ादी की लड़ाई हिंदू, मुस्लिम, सिख, ईसाई सबने मिलकर लड़ी थी। भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने अपने राजनीतिक स्वार्थ के लिए नफरत बोया है। उस नफरत से हिंदुस्तान कमजोर हुआ है, भाजपा मजबूत हुई।
All right, this of course will become a talking point in the ongoing parliament session as well. Whether or not Yogi Adityanath and his claim that Muslims feel safest in Uttar Pradesh rings true on the ground.